new account out here in the city of West Covina. Sushi restaurant. His main unit was known to not be working. We have 3-phase power on all legs, so that's good. And we gotta make sure we have it at our transformer. High voltage is there. Do we have low voltage? Low voltage is there. So now we gotta search and see where the thermostat connection is. So our thermostat connections look like they go in here. So hang tight. So here's our control section. LED is illuminated. We have supply fan VFD failure. So now let's take step 3. So we have a belt drive 3-phase blower motor. Just found the VFD over on the right side of the control section. That is our fault code. Luckily, whoever installed it did an excellent job leaving the service manual, and that particular symbol is in overload condition. So now we got to figure out why that occurred, see if it's still present, and go from there. Okay, let's hit reset. Bad bearings.
Hit it.